Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new here, do me a big favor and click that subscribe button down below so I can continue to provide content like this and many more. For all your current subscribers, I just want to continue to say thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate it. Now, we're back with my Project Lex. This is part 2 of many videos to come. So in the intro video, I was a little vague with the issues with the car. But in this particular video, I'm going to go over everything and go over what's wrong with it, what my plans are, a little bit more in depth of what I want to do with the car. Stay tuned. That's coming up next. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back. Let's start with the front. Issue number 1, as you guys can see, only the driver's side fog light is working. The passenger side is not. That's something I'm going to address. I'm going to take care of that in later upcoming videos. The headlights are fine. They work fine. LED low beam, LED high beam, incandescent turn signal. Marker light, I replaced this marker light with LED. I'm going to do the same thing. On the other side, I have an issue with the bulb. Let me turn off the light on the camera. It's a very dim and it flickers. It's really not working the way it's supposed to. I already ordered a set of LED bulbs, waiting for those to come so I can match them and be the same. The main thing with the car is the transmission. That's the main issue that I have with the car in terms of drivability wise. It skips. It has a little bit of a hard time getting into reverse. I also need a new hood latch, which lives right here. So when you unlock the hood, you have to use a screwdriver to lock it so it can lock again. No big deal. I can change the hood latch. The outside, it is what it is. The outside still needs body, but that's still needs paint and everything like that. But overall, I'm not too concerned about that. In the back of the car, so these cars have brake light, tail light in the trunk lid and in the corners. Let me turn the flash off here. So right now, as tail light and brake light, these are the only ones that are working, and the third brake light. So when I brake the car, day or night, those are the only two that are working. If anybody knows how to fix this issue, please let me know in the comment section below. I really appreciate it. I'm trying to figure it out, so I'm going to be removing these the corner lights, disconnecting them and seeing if there's any issues with the wiring or something like that, because this car had a dealer installed spoiler, not factory installed, which is very different. Factory installed spoiler deletes the third brake light because the spoiler brings the third brake light in here. So maybe somewhere down the line they screwed up and something's fishy with the taillights. The taillights are great. They're LED taillights. My brother, who is the person who gave me my little brother, who's the person who gave me the car, replaced the headlights and the taillights. Which, again, thank you so much, little brother, for giving me my dream car. Even though it has its issues, I still love it. Now let's move inside in the interior. And in here, if you guys can see, I have a royal mess down here. That's because this car has servo motors that control the temperature for the driver and the passenger, and the driver's side motor was a little busted, which made a buzzing noise, and it was only blowing cold air out of this vent and this vent. The passenger side was perfectly fine, so I had no issues with that. Moving on, I've ordered a new shift knob, which I'm going to replace it because this one, after 20 years, it's seen better days. Nothing lasts forever. I've also ordered the radio. As you can see, I turn the light off. Half of the screen is, not lit. Again, a 20-year-old radio. What else do you expect? Also, I can't control the bass, treble, fade, anything like that. For right now, I'm going to stick with a factory radio. Later on, I am going to be upgrading to a modern radio with Bluetooth, backup camera, all that fun stuff. Moving around the other shifter related items, if you see through here, you can see right through it. That's called a shifter cover, which I bought a shifter cover, and I'm also going to be replacing that as well. And that's pretty much it in terms of issues with the car. The car does have a radiator leak, but in terms of the interior, everything works. All the windows go up and down. The sunroof opens just fine. And again, this is a 20-year-old car with technology from a modern car. For example, this is something called pinch protection, which, as you can see, it knows in case you put your finger or anything. Everything is one touch open and close. The memory works. It remembers the mirrors, the steering wheel, which is power, tilt, telescopic, which is insane for a 20-year-old car. You know, Lexus was always ahead of their time against the competitors. Fully automatic headlights, which is great. Heated seats, of course, dual heated seats, which I went over this in the intro video. And that's pretty much it, guys. This has been a quick overview video. Oh, wait a minute, I forgot. I have a little bonus for you guys. So, as you can see, the shifter is, as if the shifter can see better days. So, let me see if I can hold the phone there while I take out the replacement shifter for you guys. And I can change the shifter for you guys right now on camera. So I bought this shifter from eBay. This is what the box looks like, where it comes with. They sell it for, another thing that I replaced was, let me turn the light off so you guys can see the difference. So these lighting here was all burnt. There's a little tiny microscopic bulb that lives underneath the shifter cover, and I replaced that and with an LED bulb, and the whole thing lights up very nicely, because before you couldn't see where park was, not any of that. So, which is a nice indicator. So let's see if I can change the shifter and show you guys what the new shifter looks like compared to the current shifter, which after 20 years has seen better days. And voila, look at that. That is the current, let me turn the light on for you guys. Hold on. Okay, here we go. Side by side. So that is old on the right and brand new shift knob on the left. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. Part of my plan with this car is to try to bring it back to its former glory, of course. And let's start with the shifter. And of course the radio, of course, because I need my tune, I need my music. I can't roll, you know, with crappy sounding audio, because you can't control bass or anything like that. Everything sounds like it's coming out of a tin can. All right, so to replace the shifter, it's very easy. All you have to do is you twist like so. Keep twisting. Trying to do this with one hand, so let's see here. Oh, I was twisting the wrong way, ladies and gentlemen. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. So let's change this very old and worn out shifter, well, shift knob, should I say, shift knob with a brand new one. So all you gotta do is continue twisting until the whole thing comes out. And voila, look at the difference. It's just night and day difference, of course, from a new one to an old one. which the old one has seen better days. And looks like the new one is a little shorter too. So as you can see, the chrome piece on the new one is a little shorter. All right, as I was saying, as you guys can see, the chrome piece on the original one is a little longer, and the new one is a little shorter. So hopefully the new one works. If not, I have to return it. So same way to put the new one, you just gotta twist like so. Twist it right until it's nice and tight. And keep going. Let's see. And wow, look at that. Look at the difference between this guy and the new one. The new one is just very, very, very nice. It feels wonderful. Look at that. Very nice. Just like a modern Lexus shifter will look like. A little bit of space from down here, but that's not a big deal. I don't care. That's not the end of the world. But very, very, very nice. And that's pretty much it, guys. This has been a deep dive into my 2001 Lexus GS430. Currently, I am waiting for I'm doing research to try to find a replacement transmission, which is one of the major things that the car needs as of right now, so I can continue to enjoy it before I decide to make it pretty. Because what is having a pretty car that can't run? Anyway, thank you for watching. If you guys are new here, do me a big favor and click that subscribe button down below for content like this and many more. For all my current subscribers, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care and stay safe.